tomato salad. Get a nice firm tomato, preferably in season. Leave them out. Do not put your tomato in the refrigerator. But specifically when you're ready to make a salad, leave it out, room temperature. Lots of onions, absolutely red onions. I like red onions. Do we have enough onion? Yeah, I think I have. You know, the onion sort of lets out the flavor, and you don't need all that much onion unless you like it is. So now the little touch here, the little extra touch is the mint. And it's a delicious little sort of difference. Tomatoes and basil go great together. But with mint in the summertime, a salad of tomatoes is really delicious. Little shreds. And not too much mint, you know, mint goes a long way, so you don't need all that much mint. Salt, oil. It's oil and vinegar, so whenever you're doing a salad, you know, oil is so important, you know, that great flavor. Get yourself some good olive oil. And the ratio of oil to vinegar is usually 2 parts of the oil, 1/3 part of vinegar. I like wine vinegar, a good wine vinegar. For tomatoes, could you use balsamic? Yes, you could use balsamic vinegar. Okay. And it's as simple as that. Now to this, you could, a can or two of tuna makes a whole lunch, a whole meal. A little bit of fresh ground pepper. And you know what? I even like the grinds a little coarser so that you could feel it under your teeth. So, this is ready. So easy, so fast. I actually am gonna just take one little piece and taste it. A little piece with mint. That little bit of mint just gives it that zing.